home, leaders are hard at work trying to find ways to build trust in the vaccine. That's because some communities are still worried about getting the shot. Here's 7 Eyewitness News reporter Galat Malamed.
If our community is misinformed, they're going to refuse.
That's why local health experts, faith leaders, and Senator Tim Kennedy are discussing the best ways to inform Black and Latino communities about the COVID-19 vaccine. Reverend George Nicholas chairs the African American Health Equity Task Force and says it's important to build trust.
Michael Eric Dyson talks about how African American people don't mistrust science. We mistrust scientists because of the history of how institutional and systemic and structural racism has played its role in the world of medicine.
He says the COVID-19 vaccines had Black representation in development and in trials. The panel says people are turning to trusted religious leaders for information.
We can get them to have the correct messaging. It's a job done, but we can't send them someplace that they are not going to trust.
One question the public asked, was this vaccine rushed? Dr. Timothy Murphy with UB says the science is actually based on older vaccines like SARS and MERS, and that this trial had the same number of participants as any other vaccine trial.
The reason it was able to be done so quickly is there was this enormous national and international collaboration to do these trials. The Pfizer trial, the one that now has emergency use authorization, had 149 sites.
After education comes access to the vaccine. Dr. Raul Vasquez says community doctors need to play the key role.
You have primary care infrastructures that are in place that do a lot of public health that I feel often left away. So while you have health department, while we have the university, that's all great. These guys aren't out here. They don't know what we do.
The doctors stress that mild side effects are a good thing because it means the body is building immunity. In Buffalo, Galat Malamed, 7 Eyewitness News.